Guys, welcome back to All Pound USD Analysis. Guys, yesterday, guys, we was buying this. We hit the target. So, guys, the A was buying this as well. From 2 days ago, the A's target was hit, and target one was hit as well. Target two was too ambitious, in my opinion. Anyways, so guys, the question remains: what are we going to do today? I guess it's obvious. Let's go down to the one edge. We guys are selling this. Guys, as long as the price stays below 1.3578 guys, we are bearish. And guys, my first target will be 1.15171. And guys, that will be my overall target, guys, because we are in a bullish overall higher time frame trend, and I am expecting a correction. And I guess this is enough for today. And guys, if you break above 1.35900, well, then guys, I would start buying. And then guys, my target would be 1.36199. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Let's see what the AI is doing. The AI is selling as well. Bearish reversal, bearish the daily 1H, the daily bearish trend and the major resistance level are given priority over the 4H and 1H bullish pullback. Okay, whatever you want to decide. So let's just copy these levels on the chart and let's see what they're doing. So invalidation is 1.35890. 35890. Okay, I can obviously agree with this. Exactly the same as mine. As me, and the targets are 1.35150. The first target is same as me as well, and the second target is 1.134450, which I can obviously agree with as well because it's this bottom area. I made some changes, guys, from the last 2 days. I was seeing the AI was a bit messed up. I changed the settings and now I can see the results. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair and see you guys tomorrow.